Hi guys, my name is Alona. I was a student. I graduated from batch 11 like 3 months ago. So what can I say? Great school. I was if you thinking to go, don't think, because the only thing I regret that I didn't go to the school earlier and I didn't do it earlier, because that's a great opportunity in 6 months. So I went to school, had no background. I did not know what I'm doing, what I'm gonna do, like at all. It was just a risk. And they teach you so slow, step by step. Like it wasn't even hard because they were taking so slow and explaining every little thing. They're always online, always helping, answering questions. So if you're dedicating like little time to this, you'll succeed 100%, because pretty much the sessions are live, they're not boring, it's not recorded, so you're always interacting with the teachers. That was super interesting. And even though I never was interested in IT, I got interested in that because they're not like teaching you like boring math or something. They actually like giving you examples from the world, from their own experience. So school was great. And after 6 months, they having this interviews with I guess previous students. They're giving you mock interview, and it prepares you really good. And then when I went to the market, my interviews were so easy compared to like what students was the mock interview. And I realized that I learned so much more than my interview was. So my interviews were super easy because the school provides you so much information, kind of like on even junior developer level. Because I was interviewed, all the interviews went super well. I had a lot of interviews, like 3, 4, 5 interviews a day. And everything went successful. Everybody invited me for second rounds. And then one day I got 2 offers. I accepted one of them. And then I started canceling all the other interviews because the company was great. The market is really, really good. Well, it was. I'm pretty sure it's still right now. And so as much as I was nervous, I couldn't even think about that. I was so nervous about the interviews and job. It was so easy because the school gives you so much knowledge that you don't even have to worry about that. We learned so much, and on interview you feel like a king, like you're so smart.